welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today is the big day. It's the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. I am so excited about this. I had no idea when I started this channel that we would ever grow the royal court to be this big, but I am so honored and blessed that you guys are watching me. That just, it just makes me feel amazing, and I can't wait to share with you what the giveaway prizes are gonna be. So first of all, this giveaway is open worldwide, and number two, you do need to be 18 years or older to enter unless you have your parents' permission. So the first prize is a $100 Amazon gift card. If you're interested in soap making, there are plenty of things on Amazon that will help get you started down that track. Or if you're not really interested in making soap and you just want to watch soap making, well, then Amazon has pretty much a little something for anybody. But the big prize is actually viewer requested. In one of my previous videos, I asked you guys if you guys wanted cash or like gift cards, or if you wanted soap making supplies, what you guys wanted to see for this giveaway, and the majority of people were like, actually, we'd really just prefer to have some of the soap you make. So you can win an entire year. That's right, all of 2018, an entire year's worth of my Artisan soap, which essentially equals 2 bars of soap per month. So every time we have a soap release, whenever we put all of our soaps up on the website, I will contact the winner about 24 hours prior so that they can look through the shop and see all the things that are available. We'll set 2 bars aside for them, ship those off before the rest of my collection becomes available to the public. If you'd like to enter this giveaway, it is done via Rafflecopter. There is a Rafflecopter widget on my Facebook page and also on my personal website. There's lots and lots and lots of different ways to enter. If you're not a member of any social media website, that's okay, because you can get at least 1 entry just by answering a question. This giveaway ends on February 1st, which is the exact same day that the very first soapy release goes live for this year. So the winner will get to pick 2 soaps that very day. Once again, thanks you guys so much for supporting this channel and making all of my wildest dreams come true. I'm gonna have so much more content to offer you guys in the future. I already have lots of videos prepped for this year. I know you guys are gonna enjoy them, and so again, thanks very much for watching. And if you want to enter, all the links are down below. I hope you all have an absolutely royal week, and I will see you guys Saturday for the very first soap making video of 2018. Bye for now.